Hi Cherry Popping fans! My name is Sophie and welcome to Cherry Pop Productions. Mother's Day is coming! Have you prepared any gifts for your mom yet? You haven't? Don't worry! I have a few gift ideas that you can make for your mom this coming Mother's Day using air dry clay. For this DIY Mother's Day gift, you obviously need air dry clay. And to color them, you can use food coloring. The first DIY Mother's Day gift idea is keychains. Making keychain with air dry clay is super easy. You can make a lot of designs. My mom loves emojis, so I'm gonna make her an emoji keychain. She always texts with emojis. She likes to text with emojis. All we need is yellow air dry clay and some black air dry clay. And you also need this keychain part. If you don't have these, you can take it out from an old key. But be sure to ask permission first, because you don't want to get in trouble. First, we need to make a circle shape using this yellow air dry clay. Just roll it into a ball and then press it. You want your yellow air dry clay to be this shape. Now we put the eyes and the mouth using the black air dry clay. Dab a little bit of water so that the eyes and the mouth can stick together. Ta-da! It's done! Now all we have to do is poke this chain into the emoji. And ta-da! It's done! Like I said just now, you can make any designs you want. Look, I made a diamond too. A heart shape. And you can also make two colors. And look, I made another emoji. For the second DIY Mother's Day gift idea is air dry clay flowers. For the Mother's Day flowers, I'm gonna be using red clay and green clay. I want to divide two because I want to make two small red roses. To make the flowers, roll the red clay until it looks like a worm. Ta-da! Two worms. Okay, next, pinch the clay like this. It should look something like this. Next, dab a little bit of water. Next, we're gonna roll the flowers to make it look like this. Ta-da! They're done! For the leaves, first, tear it a little bit and then make it into a teardrop, like this. And then flatten it. Make sure not to press it too thin. Next, use a toothpick to draw the leaf veins. Next, use a little bit of water to stick them all together. And ta-da, it's done! Isn't it pretty? Roses are my favorite flowers. Here I made some different colors too. Pink, purple, and I also made 3 colored roses. For the third Mother's Day gift idea is Mother's Day trophy. To make the Mother's Day trophy, I'm gonna be using yellow air-dried clay. First, roll 2 balls. One is slightly bigger than the other one, like this. Take the smaller ball and shape it into an upside-down cup. See? Upside-down cup. Next, for the bigger one, shape it into a cup, but this time not upside down. Like this. And here's the smaller one. The small one is for the bottom, and the big one is for the top. Before we stick both of them together, we need to stick a toothpick inside so that it won't fall over. Ta-da, it's done! Now we need to add the handles. Just roll out two small baby worms. Now stick the baby worms on the trophy for the handles. Ta-da! Our trophy is almost done. I'm gonna add a small heart here. For that, I need a red air-dry clay. To make a tiny heart is very easy. Just roll it, not too long and not too short. And then bend it. See? Now let's stick it to the trophy. Ta-da! Our Mother's Day trophy is done! And I also made another one. This one's much more easier. Well, which one will you make for Mother's Day? The keychain, the flowers, or the trophy? Please comment down below. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you like this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. And turn on that bell notification so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye!